The next one is the liver sound. The liver sound is liver is big organ. You're looking left and right into your liver. Left liver, right liver. Look in the left, right side. Left liver, right liver. Looking into it. So looking left and right. Rub the hand warm and cover your liver. Picture your liver. Picture your liver. See your liver. Picture your liver. Looking left, looking right to your liver. If the person that always make you angry, you have the image stand in front of you. First, separate the angry out of the person. First, separating the angry out of the person and delete the angry. Looking left, looking right, delete them. 21 steps. Now, we're going to raise the hand up, turn the palm and press up, and they have some tension. Open your elbow, tension up, look up. Now lean a little bit, lean it to the left. So you feel a tension on the liver. Lean to the left side a little bit, and you feel the tension on the liver. Now you're doing the liver sound. Inhale, exhale, eye open, look up. And inhale. Lower it down, holding on your knee. Relax, let go. Smile, rock yourself a little bit. Rock your sitting bone left and right. Let go your angry, jealousy, envy, frustration down to the ground. Anything can be composed, compose it. Anything can be recycled, recycling them. Hold your hand near your liver again, looking left and right to your liver. See any angry, jealousy, separate them out, delete them. Have the person that always cause you angry or that always cause you jealous, have them stand in front of you and see how you feel. And you're looking left and right, delete the anger or the jealousy, envy, frustration out. 21 sets. Very relaxed, looking left and right. Feel your liver warm and feel it started to be clean them out. You delete them, clean out the junk fine. When you're looking left and right enough, you feel warm. Now inhale, raise your hand up, drag your arm, turn, look up, lean a little bit to the left. Not too loud, not too loud, not too loud. You want the vibration to go into your organs. You don't want to get outside. And coming down. And hold your knee, looking left and right. Release. Let go your angry, jealousy, envy, frustration. When you empty enough, Mother gives you the golden light coming up. See the gold light coming up to you. and looking left and right into your brain. Delete the brain. Delete the folder in your brain. Left brain, right brain, left brain, right brain. The folder that link into the liver, you clean them out. The anger, the jealousy, the envy, delete them out. And feel you are clean and empty. One more time, inhale. Raise your hand up. Interact your arm. Turn. Look up. Lean a little bit to the left. And coming down. Now, gather the energy to your liver. We're going to smile to the liver and you're sending love, joy, happy, appreciation energy into your liver. Wrapping around the liver and gallbladder. And feel kindness and generosity grow from your liver. A green light. Calmness, kindness and generosity grow from your liver and radiate now a green light around you. A green light around you. Feel so nice, so good inside you. Hold your hand near your heart. Smile to your heart. Know the location. Know how your heart look like. And you smile, you make connection. You smile, you make connection. Now looking left and right into your heart. See any hatred, any impatience, any hastiness. If you have somebody that you hate, amazing. If you work for a while and you come to one day, I have nobody to hate anymore. Yes, I tell you, it's beautiful. Huh? Nobody to hate anymore. Okay, so you have the person stand in front of you in the image, and how you feel. You feel okay. So feel that emotional, and know nothing to do. Just walk, looking left and right, left, right, left. Right. "21 set. Delete the hatred and impatience. Feel you have the power to delete them. Very important. Feel you have the power. I have the power to delete it. That's it. That's all. Feel you have the power. Delete it. Now inhale. Raise your hand up. Look up. Now you want to lean a little bit to the right side. Lean to the right. And look up. And the sound, ha sound, ho sound. Hold your knee slowly down, hold your knee, let go your hatred. Anything can be organic one, you can compost them. Any you can recycle them, you down to the earth is recycling them. Hatred, impatience, hastiness, cruelty, let go down to the ground. Let the Mother Earth take it and convert to good energy. Let go. If you let go enough, golden light come, Smile to the golden light, and the Mother Earth give you health, wealth, and longevity. Now, hold your hand near your heart again. Looking left and right to your heart, see any hatred, impatience, hastiness. Looking left and right. Delete it. Trust the process, you can delete it. Delete the toxic waste material that bother you, and recycling the energy that can recycling, and compose the energy that can be composed. That's it. And inhale, raise your hand up, index your arm, turn, look up, and lean little bit to the right. Heart out, and put your hand down. Hold your hand. Now looking left and right to your brain. Left brain, right brain, left brain, right brain. Delete more clear and all the junk empty out. It's a great feeling, you know, when you clean out all the junk inside you. Feels so good in your brain. Left and right. Delete them out. Now, inhale. Raise your hand up. Index your arm. Turn. Look up. And the sound. Heart sound. And gather the energy. Now, the last part is we're going to grow good virtue. You delete the toxic waste material, the one that bother you, disturb you, delete them out. The one that can be compost them. The one that can recycle, recycling them. Now your heart empty. Now you put back good energy. Looking left and right into your heart, sending love, joy, happy, appreciation. Wrap around the heart and small intestine. So good, so good. Feeling good is the most important thing you can have. Good energy, good chi, good. Left and right. So much love, so much joy, so much happy. Feeling good inside you. And rest. And the next sound we call the spleen, pancreas, stomach sound. So you look at the spleen, pancreas, and the stomach. So you're looking left and right into your stomach, spleen, pancreas. You're looking left and right on the left hand side. Left, right, left, right. 21 sets. Delete worry, anxiety that bother you, disturb you, delete them out. And now inhale, gather the energy, touch your left side, exhale. It's the gathering sound, who sound, who. Inhale, holding your knee, let go your worry, let go your anxiety, let go your mistrust to the ground. Let go, let go. Let go. When you let go your worry, anxiety, and suddenly you feel light coming. You're gathering the golden light into a ball and feel the golden ball coming up to you, wrap around your bone, coming up. And Mother Earth give you the health, wealth, and longevity. Again, hold your hand to your spleen, pancreas, stomach, looking left and right, delete them. Trust the process. There have been research, many research on this. Okay, eye desensitizer, looking left and right, and you delete them. Okay. Now, ready, 21 set, just delete them. Now, inhale, gather the energy, come up to your spleen and put it right under the ribcage. Inhale, exhale. And inhale. Hold your knee. Let go your worry, anxiety, recycle, compose them. The more you let go the negative part, the more the mother can give you energy and you can take it. When the cup are so full with negative energy, you cannot get a new one. Looking left and right into your brain. Looking, clean out your brain. Now, inhale one more time. Touch the spleen. And inhale. Gather energy. Now we're going to grow good virtue. Smile to your spleen, pancreas, stomach. Radiate out the love, joy, happy from the heart. Wrap around the spleen. You have to see them. You picture them, you see them, you feel them, and you wrap the energy around the spleen, the stomach, and the pancreas. Wrap them around, wrap it. And starting to feel sending love, joy, happy, appreciation, and openness, fair and trusting energy into the spleen, stomach, and pancreas. Put good energy into it. Put good energy into it. Okay? Feeling so good. Feeling so good. And rest. The last sound is the triple warmer sound. Triple warmer sound, also known as circulation sex, and continue go down and expel all the cold energy in the feet and the hand out. So what you get? You get head cool down and the feet what? Warmer. So that is secret of sleeping. So what is the secret? Very simple, huh? Keep your head what? Cool. Keep your leg warm. That's all. This is the way. So this sound actually is for sleeping sound. And the sound is just inhale, and when you exhale with the he sound, and you feel it. He sound, you feel the heat from the head coming down to the heart, down to the kidney, down to the sexual organ, and make it warm. Move the hot down, move the cold out, and suddenly the kidney getting warm, the sexual organ getting warm, and then people discover that they have much more sexual energy. So they call it circulation sex. Okay, so inhale. He sound. Inhale. Exhale. Cool your head. Cool down your heart. Let the heat from the head and the heart down to your kidney and feel your kidney warm up. Down to the sexual organ. Warm up your sexual organ. Continue down. Down is pushing all the cold energy in your feet and push all the cold energy out of your tip of your toes. tip of the toes. Just go out. Let it out. Call energy out. Call energy out. Call energy out. Call energy out. And you feel balancing and energy move. Again, inhale. Exhale. Lower your heat. Direct them down to your kidney, to your sexual organ. Very warm. Continue down to your feet and down to your toes. And one more time, inhale. Exhale. Cool your head, cool your heart. Bring that hot energy down to the kidney, make up the kidney warm, make the sexual organ warm. Continue to push down all the cold energy out of your toes, out of your toes. Nice, cool in your head and in your heart. Warm, nice warm in your kidney and sexual.